An aerial drone shot captures a massive outdoor yard filled with thousands of discarded black tires stacked high.
Keep it coming, easy now. All right, hold it right there. Stop.
Large storage silos hold the processed rubber mulch, waiting to be sent to the next stage of chemical treatment.
This fine powder is what gives tires their characteristic black color and protects them against UV rays.
In another section, sidewall rubber is extruded with a different compound, optimized for flexibility.
An inner liner, the layer that makes the tire airtight, is rolled out into a very thin, wide sheet.
Textile cords, such as polyester or nylon, are woven into a fabric sheet and then rubber coated.
The seat of the tire, the part that grips the wheel rim, is made by wrapping rubber around steel wire loops. An automated machine spins the wire into a circle. tire components are staged near the final assembly machines. The logistics are managed by a central computer system that tracks every individual part's location.
The assembly begins on a tire building drum. A rotating metal cylinder serves as a mold. The drum expands slightly, tensioning the layers to create a cylindrical carcass of the tire. This is the foundation.
The result is a green tire, a soft, unvulcanized tire that lacks any tread pattern or branding.
A second drum prepares the belt and tread package, which is then transferred over the
The green tire is placed into the lower half of the mold, and a rubber bladder is inserted inside. Gradual cooling is essential to prevent any internal stresses or warping in the tire's structure.
Misaligned internal components is automatically flagged and removed from
The tire is mounted onto a uniformity testing machine that simulates road conditions at high speed. The machine. A laser scanning system maps the entire tread surface to check for any microscopic height differences. The 3D
The tire is then balanced on a high-precision spindle that detects any weight imbalances. Small amounts of rubber can be A robotic arm stamps a unique serial number and manufacturing date onto the tire's sidewall, allowing for full traceability throughout the tire's life cycle. Automated palletizers stack the tires in a laced pattern to maximize the use of space on transport pallets.
The tires are now fully prepared for their journey from the factory to the warehouse.
The tires made today will soon be on vehicles across the country, providing safety and performance. Where the journey meets the horizon. Discover the ultimate expression of performance.